There's an old ship in a harbor. Over the years, every plank rots and is replaced, one by one, until not a single original piece remains. So here's the puzzle. Is it still the same ship? The Greeks asked this 2,000 years ago, and the unsettling part is, it's about you. Because you are doing exactly what that ship does, constantly. The cells lining your gut renew in days, your skin in weeks, your bones over years. Almost every cell in your body is replaced, again and again, across your life. Even the atoms. The ones in you today were elsewhere a year ago, borrowed from your food, your air. You are not the same matter you were a decade ago. Almost none of it remains. By the logic of the ship, the old you is gone, replaced, plank by plank, cell by cell. And yet, you feel like one continuous person, the same you as the child in your memories. So, if you're not the stuff you're made of, what are you? Maybe you were never the material at all. Maybe you're the pattern, like a wave crossing the ocean. The water never travels, only the shape moves. A flame that burns all night is never the same gas, twice, but it's the same flame. You are a pattern that the universe keeps redrawing in fresh material, moment after moment. The ship was never the planks. It was the shape they held together. And you were never the atoms. You are the story they keep telling as they pass through. Same person you were? Not in substance, but in the one way that matters, yes. The pattern held.